What is up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. Appreciate y'all tuning in to the channel. So today in FL Studio 21.2, they released stem extraction. If you don't know what that is, that's when you can separate the beat, like dissect the whole beat. You could take out vocals, you could take out drums, you could take out instruments, you could take out the bass line. That's so amazing. FL Studio and Image Line is becoming like one of the best DAWs. The new FL Studio have where you can distribute your music to DistroKid through FL Studio directly. They have AI mastering now where you can just have it automatically master your mixes. Amazing. And right now we're going to be talking about the stem extraction. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and let's see if it really works as good as they say. And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below what y'all want to see next. Let's do it. In order to extract your beat, first of all, I'm going to play the beat so y'all can hear it. All right, so to extract the beat, you go to this little button right here, go down, extract stems from sample. You click that. Now it gives you a few options. You can extract just the drums, the instruments, the bass, and even vocals. That's so amazing. Um, I'm just gonna do all this. This is just a beat that don't have vocals, so I'm gonna just uncheck that. But if it did, I would check that. Um, this is to limit your CPU usage. And this, I always put do nothing. This is just what it's going to do after it's done extracting. So just always put do nothing. You do have options to mute the source clip, mute the source track, or do nothing. So just do nothing. And once you do that, hit extract. Now, depending on how big the file is, or the song or whatever, it may take a couple minutes, and depending on how fast your PC works. I ain't gonna make y'all wait to watch this. We're just gonna skip past this. And while we're waiting for that, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel and help me grow this channel. And remember to hit the link in the description. I do have vocal presets on there for FL Studio users. Go support your boy. All right. So we have our stems here. We have, I'm gonna mute this. That's the main song. We have the drums, we have the bass, and we have the instruments. So I'm gonna play the beat one more time. All right, now this is just the drums. All right, this is the bass. Amazing, right? And this is the rest of the sounds. That is that is so cool. You know the cool part about all of that? It allows the artist to get more creative with the actual song, because there may be parts where I want to just take the bass line out, or it may be parts where I want to change the sound of the 808s, or you can get real creative with the beat and the actual song. You can kind of spice it up a little bit, taking out maybe the hi-hats or something at a certain part in the song. It just allows you to be a little more creative. um I don't know how a lot of producers is going to feel about this program, because it allows people to take out beat tags. It allows them to alter a beat to the point where they may not have to buy it, depending on how much so I don't know how producers is going to feel about it. I'm not an actual producer. I don't make beats. I don't know how to make beats, but there's so much you can do. So I mean, there's a lot of pros and cons. As an artist, there's a lot of pros, but as producers, they might feel a certain kind of way that somebody can dissect their beat. I don't know, but either way it go, I think it's an amazing feature. Um, and I'm the kind of person, I like to buy beats. I don't steal nobody beats. I like to buy the beats. So You know, if I do alter the beat a little bit, the producer has been paid and I'm just doing some altering, you know. But yeah, that's stem extraction. Y'all comment down below, tell me what y'all think about stem extracting on FL Studio 21.2. And like I said, I'm going to be making a video about the AI mastering and all of the other features that the new FL update has. Make sure y'all comment down below, subscribe, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. Peace.